Look at that tree. Talk.
Oh Lord. They pulled the power right off the house. And there's a big tree that's just laying on top of the wires.
We pulled out these boots for the first time, and now, since last night, he had to sleep in them. He had to wear them all day yesterday in the house.
He likes it a little warmer than this. You put him down and he disappears in a snowdrift, so I don't blame him much.
I'm glad you said Palisades, because someone gets in Palisades like, yeah, it's Palisades. It's more like surfing right now.
But you can like die of hypothermia snowboarding. You can't.
We're actually right at the border where we may have to make utility paths where we drive the sled where we need to go with nothing attached.